Welcome, viewers. Imagine a city, alive and pulsating with energy, streets buzzing with activity, each corner brimming with opportunity. This city is more than just a concrete jungle, it's a vivid metaphor for the intricate network of our modern world, encompassing the internet, financial systems, and social structures. Just like learning a new language to thrive in a foreign city, understanding networks is not just beneficial, it's essential. Today, we explore what happens if one remains oblivious to this critical language. As we venture deeper into the digital era, networks dictate the rhythm of life. They're more than technological structures, they are the lifelines of connection, communication, and decision-making. Let us consider the consequences of misinterpreting this network language. Economic disadvantages. Failing to understand the dynamics of financial networks can lead to missed opportunities or, worse, vulnerability to scams. Social isolation. Social networks, both online and offline, are vital for growth. Lack of understanding can result in isolation and missed connections. Security vulnerabilities. In cyberspace, ignorance can be costly, leading to data breaches, identity theft, and financial loss. Mental health risks. Misinterpreting social media networks can affect mental health, leading to unrealistic comparisons and mental health issues. Political and cultural misunderstandings. Misunderstanding international networks can lead to cultural insensitivity and political errors, impacting global relations and business. The cryptocurrency conundrum. Consider the world of cryptocurrency, a complex financial network that has redefined our understanding of money. For those who grasped its potential early, the rewards were significant. However, for many, it remains a perplexing labyrinth, often resulting in missed opportunities or financial pitfalls. The art of network mastery. Understanding networks means recognizing patterns, predicting outcomes, and making informed decisions. It's about understanding how a tweet can trigger a stock market fluctuation or how a viral video can shift public opinion. It involves grasping the underlying principles that govern these connections, be it algorithms in social media, market trends in finance, or data flows in technology. As we advance, the language of networks grows more complex. The emergence of artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and blockchain is revolutionizing network functionality. Understanding these advancements is like adding new dialects to the language of networks. In conclusion, remaining ignorant of networks in the 21st century is akin to navigating a bustling city blindfolded. It's a direct path to missing out on opportunities and stumbling into pitfalls. The language of networks is the new universal language of our time, and mastering it is not just beneficial, it is essential. Thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey through the world of networks.